your ballroom floor, your perfect house with rose red doors. I'm the last thing you remember. It's been a long, lonely December. Wish I'd known that less is more, but I was passed out on the floor. That's the last thing you remember. It's been a long, lonely December. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know of any other songs that you would like to learn in the comments. Also, if you have questions, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to get to them as soon as I can. So this is how to play December by Neck Deep. I had never heard this song, but it's awesome. So I really appreciate their request. Seriously, this is a great song. So it's pretty simple. It's in standard tuning and doesn't have a capo, which I love. I'm going to show you the intro, which is super simple. I'm going to show you the strumming patterns that you're going to use as well, and the chords. So the chords are actually in the same order throughout the entire song, except for when you're doing the intro. You basically just going to use one chord there. So for this, the intro part, you're actually going to just put your fingers like this. So you can do it like this, but I think it's easier if you do it this way. Because you're going to play this finger up here at times too, as well. So you put your middle finger, this is the way I do it. Middle finger goes on the G string on the 2nd fret, and then I put my ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to start by plucking the D string just open, okay? So you're going to do D, D, B, G, D, B, G, okay? After you do that twice, then you're just going to slide up so that they're both on the 2nd frets, okay? So same strings here, and then do the exact same picking. D, B, G, D, B, G. And do that twice, and then start over. Do the same thing. Okay, then after you do that, you're just gonna do, okay, then you're gonna start doing the chords. So the chords for this song, you're gonna start with, we'll call it D suspended 2. It's really D suspended 2 over F sharp, but you're just gonna do that same thing, but you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the big E string, okay? And the strumming for the verse is down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, okay? That's the strumming for the whole verse. So down, up, down, mute is how you start it, okay? Stumbled round the block. So you do, block is where you start with the D suspended 2. Block 1,000 times, missed every call. So every call is where you're gonna do A, okay? A call that I had tried, so I'm giving up. And then on up, you're gonna do B minor, okay? Giving up, a heartbroken mid-December. So at the end of December, you're gonna do G, all right? December, you don't give a freak, you never remember me. Okay, and then me, you're gonna do D suspended 2 over F. So that's actually like the entire verses with one exception, okay? So when you get to, and the strumming pattern, by the way, is different for the chorus, so I'll show you that in a second. So when you get to the end of the verse, so that whole verse, you're just gonna be doing that, but at the end of it, the strumming is actually a little bit different. So you're gonna do feeling blue and alone. So you're gonna do down, down, up. Okay, alone, I wonder if you'll, okay, then you're gonna do A, if you'll ever hear this song on your stereo. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. Now the chorus is still the same chord progression, but when you get there, you're gonna do, and I'm gonna use a pick for this part, even though I don't like using a pick as much for this song. But the way you're gonna do this is you're gonna do D, and you're gonna do, the strumming pattern for this, remember it's the exact same chord progression, but the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, just like that. So it's down, down, up, down, up. Now, I think the way that they're actually playing it doesn't have some of those down, down, ups in it. I'm just showing you a super easy strumming pattern, but you could, you can make it a little bit simpler or whatever you want to do. In fact, when you're playing the verses and stuff, you can even actually just do just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now that's not exactly how they're playing it, but the thing of the rhythm guitar is it just needs to go with the rhythm. So I'm not saying this is the exact way to play it, but this is a way that sounds really good and is great for beginners. So the way that the chorus would go is down, so down, and you do down, and then you're gonna start saying I. I hope you get your ballroom floor. So floor is A, floor. Your perfect house with rose red doors. So doors is B minor, doors. I'm the last thing you remember. Remember is G. Remember, it's been a long, lonely December. So December, you're doing D suspended 2 over F sharp. I wish I'd known that less is more. More is A, more. I was passed out on the floor. So floor is B minor, floor. That's the last thing I remember. Remember is G. Remember, it's been a long, lonely December. So the reason I don't like using a pick is because at the beginning of the second verse, you're going to start with the intro again. Okay, so you're going to do, but you're supposed to do that while you're actually, if you're doing it like the album, it's actually while they're singing for the first 2 like sentences. I hope you get, so it would be, let's see, where's that verse? So it would be, cast me aside to show yourself in a better light. I came out grieving, barely breathing. You came, and then you're going to do A. Came out, right? Okay, and then you're going to go into it. So for the first part, you're just doing. Okay, you're going to be doing that. And then when you do the A, that's wrong. Came out, all right. But I'm sure. Okay, and then you're going to go into B minor. Now when you get to the bridge, you're just going to play the chords each once with no lyrics. Okay, and then do I miss your face, you're in my head. There's so many things that I should have said. Okay, and you're just going to go through and do the same thing, but you're going to strum that softer. Okay, when you end the song, you'll just end it on that D suspended 2. Like that. So it'll be, it's been a long, lonely December. Anyway, that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure as always. See me next time.